Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the...
Hello sa lahat! Nandito na naman ako para sa tanong mo, sagot ko. The information of this video are from Google search and YouTube policy. If you're in YouTube partner program, you can get access to our creator support team. Ayan. So, pwede nating i-communicate sila kung may problema tayo sa ating channel.
Shout out to Michael Benedicto. Itong video na to ay para sa iyo. Sana makatulong ito sa mga inquiries mo sa YouTube.
Sabi ni YouTube, you can find more details, instruction on how to contact creator support and how to get help as a YouTube creator. So, easy lang pala. Naka-ano lang dito. Naka-blue. Pwede mo lang yan siyang i-press at may direction na yan kung paano mo sila i-communicate.
Pwede din yung puntahan si support.google.com kung kailangan nyo ng more inquiries about Google AdSense. So, kung may problema kayo sa AdSense, ito yung puntahan niyo.
So, to email creator support from the help center, may instruction dito kung paano. So, i-screenshot ko to at ilagay dito sa video at basahin ko rin. So, enumerate ko na. Number 1, go to support.google.com/YouTube and sign in. Number 2, at the bottom under need more help, select contact us. And number 3, follow the prompts to chat with our creator team. Pwede nating makausap yung si creator support team. Ayan.
Ito ang reference sa binabasa ko from Google search.
Ito din isa na dapat natin i-contact kung may problema tayo. Email creator support from YouTube. So, number 1, sign in to YouTube channel. Number 2, tap your profile picture, then select help and feedback. Number 3, under need more help, select contact us. Number 4, follow the prompt to chat with our creator support team. Ayan. So, nandyan lang siya. Ayan. So, i-screenshot ko to at ilagay sa video na to.
Ito din ay isang reference din sa binabasa ko from Google.
So, kung kailangan kayo ng help or may inquiry kayo kay YouTube or kay Google, ayan. Itong instruction na ilagay ko, screenshot ko at binasa ko ay pwede mong sundan para mag-communicate mo yung creator support sa YouTube. So, yan lang. Sana makatulong tong video na to. And
kung gusto niyo ding padalhan ng love letter sa YouTube, ayan, ito yung address niya.
So, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the